Virtual production is really going to drastically change the way we do things.
I think the most exciting thing about virtual production for me is how it levels the playing field, how it opens it up to everyone.
I think it's especially important for Cardiff and for Wales for people to get an understanding of virtual production in this area.
I think virtual production over the next few years and events like this are going to really change the landscape of motion, not just motion graphics, but the film and TV industry.
We have big ideas, we wouldn't be able to fly out to that location or whatever. So I think that we've just been interested as a company in looking into virtual production to kind of see what that means we can do.
Being able to mock a studio or a technology or a format up from the comfort of the office and try things out. It's a real big game changer.
Virtual production is the future. We're sort of entering a new era of technology, and I think we're only going to keep growing.